Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. You may have seen pork with garlic sauce, 蒜泥白肉 before. Today I'm going to show you how to make the vegetarian version using king oyster mushroom. The mushroom slices will be tender and springy, taste like pork belly. I'm also going to show you a fun way to present this dish, which I learned from a restaurant in Chengdu. Here are the main ingredients, which you can find the list in description below. I'm going to boil some water to blanch the mushroom slices with star anise, white part of the scallions, Sichuan peppercorn, and some salt to season the water. While the water is boiling, we are going to cut off the ends of the mushrooms and use a peeler to peel the mushroom into thin slices. Then I'm going to blanch the mushroom slices in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. When the mushroom slices are ready, I'm going to take them out and shock in ice cold water so the slices can taste tender yet with some crunchiness. Once shocked, I'm going to squish out the extra water and put the mushroom aside. Let's prepare the sweet and spicy garlic sauce and the garnish. First, I will fold the green part of the scallion and julienne it into fine strings. Then put the strings in cold water so they can curve beautifully. For the sauce, I'm going to rough chop the garlics first, then add some salt and water and mash them into paste. For 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of MSG, half tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili oil, and mix them well. Now for presentation, I'm making a hanger using cucumbers as the basis and chopsticks tied using rubber bands as the frame. First, I'm going to hang a few slices of mushrooms on the hanger without sauce. For the rest of the mushrooms, I'm going to mix them with the sauce and then put them onto the plate below the hanger. Then put the curved scallion strings on top as garnish. Now, won't that be eye-catching during holiday dinners? I hope you learn how to make this simple vegetarian appetizer and can impress your family and friends during the holidays. If you like our cooking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.